听闻 Excuse me 阿斗你叫什么名字 What's your name ตาเนี่ยชื่ออะไร你过得怎么样 How are you doing ตาเนี่ยสุขสบายดี你昨天去看医生了吗 Did you go to see the doctor yesterday ตาเนี่ยបានទៅជួបនឹងវិជ្ជបណ្ឌិតទេកាលពីម្សិលមិញ你有几本书 How many books do you have តើអ្នកមានសៀវភៅចំនួនប៉ុន្មានក្បាល他们是谁តើពួកគេជានរណា Who are they 这个是什么 What is this តើនេះគឺជាអ្វី